Hello，大家好，係我 Benson。今日咧，我要做呢啲嘢，就係要做 FBD，係我學過嘅，就係睇下呢個。Assume we are on planet Earth. What forces acting on our object under the following? They provide the FBD. The first one is a book on the table. Second, Mr. Kwok pushing against a wall. Don't ask why. Three, a carpenter standing on the rooftop. 第一個題目咧，我哋分析就係呢個，我玩下。I have to draw something. Okay.
You want to draw
I get a paper.
You can use that. It's fine. You can use that. I just ran out of paper right there. But this is actually meant for today's new lesson.
First one.
Guys, I'll be right back.
Get something. So 第一個題目咧就係話一本書喺台上面，我先畫張台，睇下大家識唔識呢個就係一個台啊。Anybody speak Cantonese? Do you speak Cantonese? Do you speak Cantonese? Do you speak Mandarin? Alright. I speak Cantonese. I will speak against Cantonese right now. Sorry guys. 對唔住。又係話一本書喺上面，然後我哋咧就係話呢個 gravity 就係地吸引力 gravity force， 只係個 normal force， 我唔知點樣講。呢個 apply force 係唔會有嘅。第一條，第二條咧我就話 Mr. Kwok 就呢位老師啦，佢推個牆，好就係個 normal force， 佢要90度先至可以，所以就係話呢邊係好近呢個地，呢個就係 Mr. Kwok。我俾大家睇下呢個。其實咧，佢就係一個唔知個向左嘅就係friction 就係摩擦力，但係地吸引力都係會有嘅。我睇下，我同 Mr. Kwok confirm 因為佢都講廣東話啦。第三條題目就係 a carpenter standing on the slanted rooftop。呢條就係我畫條圖，就係呢個就係嗰個 carpenter， 有個裝修師傅佢。
Alright, so guys and gals, so we're about to start. Before I jump into doing stuff today, that's written on the board right there. You guys may have questions.
呢個就係地吸引力都有。
Yesterday, so we'll take a few of those
normal
processes
force 都係有嘅。
just to go over them together. So Armin.
係。
Sorry.
咁我而家基本上就可以啦。
Sure. Nicholas.
好，我俾大家再確定一下，呢個係咪啱嘅？呢個嘢係咪真係對住嗰條題目 ？OK，就咁，拜拜。